Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to find Wi-Fi password using command prompt. First of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now before starting, write these two lines on your notepad. I'll also give this on the description below. You can just copy and paste. Now let's start. First of all, go to Start and search for cmd command. Here is command prompt. Right click and run as administrator and click on the yes. After this, you can see command prompt is open. Go to this notepad and copy this first line and paste it over here and enter. And you can see these are the Wi-Fi networks on which my computer is connected. You can find many of these as I am connected to different various networks. Now if I want to find the password of anyone, first of all I will see of this Nokia. I will double click and Ctrl C. I have copied this network profile and go to this notepad and I'll replace this Wi-Fi name with that which I have copied. You can see I have replaced this Wi-Fi name with Nokia. You can replace this with your Wi-Fi network name. After that, just copy this second line and paste it on this command prompt. And you can see here is many information provided. Over here on the security setting, you can find this key content. Now yes, boom. This is our Wi-Fi password. Now let's try with one more. So by using this simple way, we can find password of our network. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.